Mày ao mày ra. Mày tên cái mà lên mày sai. Không, mày tên mà sang người ta, mày tên Hoàng Biêu. Cái đâu đây đi ai?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Actually, I am from our news channel that is TNTT News, the Northeast Today and Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think you know that. Sir, actually, just I want to take some, status from you. Sir, can you please tell me, sir, now how is the situation there in Manipur right now?
The situation here is very tense, sir.
Okay.
This has become a communal clash between the Métis and the tribals of Manipur.
Okay.
Today itself, hundreds of houses in Imphal belonging to the tribals, as well as churches of the tribals, were burned, and also thousands are seeking refuge at with the army, with the police, and also with the some rifles, all the paramilitary forces.
Okay.
And then those of the valley-based people who are in Chuchanpur are also seeking refuge with the paramilitary forces here.
Okay.
And at especially in Chuchanpur, they are seeking refuge at the mini secretariat complex, which is well guarded by the Assam Rifles, as well as the Manipur police, and the army. However, the situation remains tense because in this part of our town, in our district boundary, it happens like this. The valley-based community, the Métis community, they are the dominant community in Manipur.
Yeah.
So basically, they hold 40% of the 40 out of the 60 seats in Manipur, and then they are being backed by the Manipur police commando.
Okay.
They have torched around 8 to 9 villages in Chuchanpur district itself.
Okay.
Like Kangvai, Turbung, Hautak Vazang, H. Gelbung, Leripa.